Students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic conservation of natural resources. Natural resources, the resources that are derived from the environment are called as natural resources. Some of them are most essential for our living, while most of them are used for satisfying our needs. They are used to promote the mankind's every made items consist of natural resources. Sun is the major natural resources which never ends. Types of natural resources, they are mainly classified into following types: water resources, forest resources, mineral resources, land resources, and energy resources. Okay, and firstly I discuss water resources. Water pollution, the main problem of pollution that need to be addressed in the country are the following: pollution from domestic sewage, the high rates of drinking water and drainage, the general lack of sewage treatment plants, and the discharge of large quantities of untreated sewage at specific points of the water resources systems or along the coastline constitutes the main water pollution sources in our country. Remedies of depletion of water resources: improvement of efficiency in water usage, identification of water resources. Next, technical training and education about water and information about water resources and flood mitigations, and several programs are implemented such as integrated development and use of water resources and drinking water supply and sustenance. Forest resources, second one, forest, land occupied with wide range of flora and fauna which supports ecosystem. Usage of forest resources, they give us wood for different purpose, and they are used in medicines, and they gives fuel like fossil fuel, coal, etc., and they have commercial use like honey, gums, lac, and papers, and they provide 30% of oxygen. Threats, mainly two types of threats are present: natural disasters and man included threats. And second, forest fires. Reasons for depletion of forest resources: over consumptions or excesses use of resources and non-equitable distribution of resources, overpopulations and erosions, habitat degradation lead to the loss of biodiversity and irrigations, mining for oil and minerals, aquifer depletions, and pollution of resources. Okay, and next one, minerals resources, minerals which have which have definite chemical properties and indefinite chemical properties. These are two types of mineral, namely metallic and non-metallic. Examples for metallic minerals are iron, gold, aluminium, and silver, etc. And second one, examples for some non-metallic minerals are gypsum, limestones, and coal, etc. Threats of mineral resources: mining. Second one, disturbance of mantle layers which leads to earthquake, drawing of lands, and second, next, deforestation leads to loss of biodiversity, and next, the acid mine drains. By usage, the acids to extraction process, which leads to mix of acid in soil and aquifers and loss of marine life due to oil spills while extracting oils. And remedies for depletion of mineral resources, we must go for biomining, where we use microbial organisms for mining purposes. Next, mining waste treatment technology, EOR. This process must be implemented to extract oil by using bacteria. Okay. And next, land resources. Land is an area which constitutes the biotic and the biotic components. Due to soil erosions and land degradation, soil is being eroded by agents like winds, water, and human activities. Improper agriculture practice like monoculture and also introduction of alien species through hybrid varieties also lead for the erosion of soils. Control measures. Two control measures like biological control and mechanical controls are practices. In biological control measures, mulching, polycultures, and crop rotations must be followed. And the next second one, and in mechanical control processes, counter formings, terrace formings, and step forming must be practiced. Energy resources. The capacity to do work is known as energy. It is divided into two ways: renewable and non-renewable energy. There are many disadvantages by using these resources. They lead to global warmings. They pollute air and release of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. Renewable resources are closely and space occupying. Sun cannot be used in cooler areas. Okay. And next, remedies to control depletion of energy resources. Use diesel car to reduce your dependence on fossil fuel, and go solar to use solar to the use reduce solar to reduce the use of non-renewable resources. And telecommunicate communate turn your lawn into the organic gardens and heat with boots to reduce your dependence on non-renewable resources and fossil fuels. Okay, thank you, students.